welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nika, and as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing a what's in my emergency kit. Emergency kits are I feel like they're very essential because things happen. Before I get into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click that notification bell. Also be sure to follow me on my socials, and yeah. So first and foremost, you're gonna need a bag. I got this bag from Target for about $12, I believe. And yeah, you just need something not too big, not too small, something that's big enough to fit your stuff. It's COVID season. You're gonna need a mask just in case one pops or something. You're gonna need disinfectant wipes to wipe down, and you're also gonna need some hand sanitizer. For my ladies, be sure to pack extra pads and panty liners. Periods can come anytime, and you should be changing your pads anyway. I got this little first aid kit from Target. It wasn't too much. I believe it was about $3. I don't know, but inside it has like hand cleansing wipes, band-aids, and all that good stuff. Cuts can happen. Yeah. Lotion and some type of body spray. Lotion, you need to keep your hands moisturized. Like, my hands can get very ashy, especially with washing. Even if you forget to put on lotion in the morning, you have some in your emergency. I have baby wipes, a lint roller. I got this from Target, but you're gonna need it, especially with black clothes or any dark clothes. In this little container, I just put some bobby pins and hair ties, just in case I need one, or if I have a hair tie in my head, it pops or anything. Cough drops, just in case. I wouldn't necessarily say you need this, but just in case someone else could need it. I got some Vaseline Lip Balm to keep my lips moisturized. I feel like there's no need to do the lip gloss because I'm gonna be wearing a mask anyways, and that feeling is very uncomfortable. Gum, you need some gum. You could eat something and you have a weird aftertaste. Just gotta have some gum in your tissues. You're gonna need some tissues just in case your nose is running. You gotta clean your nose real quick, or someone else needs a tissue. And my last item is pain relievers. Headaches, cramps, especially when if you're on your period or something. Along with the pads, you got to have some emergency panties or period panties. Preferably black ones. Don't get no pretty Victoria's Secret. You'll be wasting your money, honestly, because there's a high chance that those are gonna get stained. But I'd say bring at least 2 extra black panties just in case. There are a few items that I didn't include that you may need. One, I'll say if you have some type of PE class or dance class or whatever, or you have sports after school, I would say bring deodorant and soap and a washcloth, because you're gonna be smelling real funky and you don't want to be walking around smelling like that. So I would say bring that. Honestly, that's all I could think of. I can't think of anything else. If you guys have anything in mind that I didn't include, please be sure to comment that below. I know today's video was pretty short, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I advise everyone making an emergency kit, just in case. And yeah, please don't forget once again to like, comment, and subscribe. And that's it for today's video. Stay blessed.